Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're taking a look at the Ergonomic Silicone Wrist Rest for Keychron keyboards. A must-have accessory for anyone using mechanical keyboards, especially those with an 80% tecal layout. Whether you're typing for work, gaming, or anything in between. This wrist rest is designed to improve your comfort and relieve wrist pain during long sessions. First, let's talk about comfort. If you've ever experienced wrist discomfort from typing or gaming for extended periods, this wrist rest is designed to alleviate that issue. The ergonomic design provides soft, cushioned support that helps reduce strain on your wrists, promoting a more natural typing posture. The silicone surface is smooth and soft to the touch, making it comfortable for all-day use. This is crucial for those who spend hours at their desks. Now, let's focus on the design. The wrist rest features a honeycomb non-slip base, which is not only functional but also ensures stability. No matter how hard you type or move your hands, this wrist rest stays firmly in place, preventing any unwanted slipping or shifting. This stable base gives you peace of mind, knowing that the wrist rest will support you without any distractions. The ergonomic support is enhanced by the soft silicone material that cushions your palms and absorbs pressure. Whether you're typing out emails, coding, or deep into a gaming session, this wrist rest supports your wrists and helps minimize the risk of strain or fatigue. It's specifically designed for Keychron keyboards, including models like the Q3, Q3 Max, V3, V3 Max, and C3 Pro. But it also works with many other 80% layout keyboards like the Logitech G Pro, Corsair K70, and Razer Huntsman V3 Pro, making it a versatile option for many mechanical keyboard users. The dimensions of the wrist rest are 14.37 inches by 3.13 inches, providing a perfect fit for most 80% tecal keyboards. If you're looking for a sleek and functional wrist rest that blends seamlessly with your setup, this is a great option. The smooth silicone surface is easy to clean. A simple rinse with warm water and a wipe with a soft cloth is all it takes to keep it looking fresh. The silicone naturally attracts dust or lint, but with a quick clean, it's good as new. Let's not forget about its long-lasting durability. The silicone material is strong and built to last. It's not only soft to the touch but also resilient, making it an ideal companion for those who frequently use their keyboard. Whether you're gaming, typing, or just browsing, this wrist rest can handle it all. To sum it up, the ergonomic silicone wrist rest for Keychron keyboards is a fantastic accessory for anyone looking to improve comfort and reduce wrist pain. It offers excellent support with its ergonomic design, provides a stable, non-slip base, and is easy to maintain. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on your mechanical keyboard, this wrist rest will help enhance your overall typing experience and prevent discomfort in the long run. Thanks for watching Product Scout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more product reviews like this one. See you next time.